Welcome back to the garage, and as promised, new face, tons of new content. Let's not waste any time, we'll get right into it. We're back working on half send today. As you guys know, there's already a ton of power mods installed, so it's time to address handling. These Whiteline sway bars and end links, super easy to install, huge benefits. Let's get it in there and find out how great it is. So if you've driven a Focus ST before, you know that the body roll can be a little bit annoying. We're going to be replacing the end links and the sway bar, which connects both sides of the rear end, tightening everything up and improving handling. You can do this on almost any car, and we're starting at the back because it's going to be a little easier than the front. We could do both at once, but in the interest of science, we're going to do one at a time and see what difference it makes. Out with the old and in with the new. Since we're putting in a much bigger sway bar, we're going to want to upgrade our end links as well. Having small stock end links on a big bar can cause some problems. Plus you get a lot of adjustability and huge handling gains out of these. So I'm excited to see how well they do. Now that we've tested out the rear sway bars, let's put in the front and see what kind of difference we can make with a fully customized front to back suspension upgrade. So yeah, finished the shakedown, finished the tests. It feels really good. One of the easiest bang for the buck mods you can do for handling. And the best part is it's not gonna give you any downside. You only feel the benefits of the sway bars when you're aggressively cornering. It really bites nice, keeps you flat, keeps all the handling nice and predictable, adds a lot of confidence to the ride. And then as you're getting used to it, you can fiddle around with the adjustments some more. Go a little tighter in the front, a little tighter in the back. People tend to lean towards tighter in the rear, but it's all preference really. If you don't mind crawling around underneath the car, fiddling with lock bolts. But the Whiteline product makes it pretty easy to do, and they're nice to look at, so you might as well get under there every now and then to wipe them down. Well, that was fun. Sway bars and end links installed. Up next, I'm gonna go out back and grab 4 sets of springs. We get this thing low and see how much fun we can have. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.